Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Samsung Galaxy M51 versus the Poco X3 device. So I already did a display comparison, but in this display comparison, this is going to be a very special display comparison because the Poco X3 has a enhancement visuals option which is present in the game Turbo. So by using this option, you can actually increase the IPS LCD panel colors a lot better, and all the colors will be more saturated, more brighter, and more contrast. So let's see friends, after using this kind of enhancement visuals in the Poco X3 device, whether the phone will be actually equal to this kind of Super AMOLED Plus display from the Samsung M51 device. So let's see, this was a question asked by a few of the subscribers that try to use this kind of enhancement visuals and then try to compare with the Samsung's AMOLED panel, so then they can understand actually the colors between both of the smartphone. So let's get started with that kind of comparison. And for more wallpapers similarly like this, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. So not only wallpapers, you can find playlists for each and every smartphone. In detail reviews will be available as well. In case if you want to know how to add this kind of enhancement visuals in the Poco X3, there's a video on that, so try to check that playlist first. So let's get started. Let me try to play the video. As you can see friends, right now I'm playing the same video in both the smartphones with full 100% brightness, and the top one is the Samsung Galaxy M51 device, and it's very hard to differentiate both phones because they both have same kind of punch hole, but the punch hole in the Poco X3 is very small when you compare with the Samsung Galaxy M51's punch hole. That's a very good thing in the Poco X3 device. So now let me try to enable this enhancement visuals which is present here. As you can see right now, let me try to increase. Did you see the difference? As you can see friends, you just saw the difference of how much brighter the screen became. So you can see how much bright it is right now. This is the fourth step. The fourth step is that increasing the enhancement and making the video very much brighter, as you can see friends. So right now if you compare, you can clearly see the difference, how much bright the image is in the Poco X3 device. You can see the viewing angles as well. So when you look at this sky, it's very brighter in the Poco X3 than the Samsung M51. Try to observe these colors, how they look here. So this is the advantage friends in the Poco X3. Even though you are having the IPS LCD panel, but still the display you can enhance a lot in the Poco X3. So that's why it's better to watch my display tips and tricks, so where you can find this kind of different things about the Poco X3. So try to watch the playlist if you want to know complete this kind of tricks what you can do in the phone. You can see the colors, how much saturated and how much brighter it is. Just compare friends with the AMOLED panel. Here is the Poco X3. As you can see, you can clearly see the difference, huge difference there is between both the smartphones in terms of the saturation. So now let me try to decrease the studio lighting effect and let me try to show you. So maybe you might understand more if there is a less studio lighting effect. So right now there is less studio lighting effect, and try to observe this grass, how saturated here it is. So you can see friends, and now let me try to decrease the brightness to 50%. So exactly 50. So this is the brightness at 50%. And zero brightness. As you can see friends, that there's a huge difference in the Poco X3 device. So definitely friends, if you want to experience this kind of display in the Poco X3, it's better to enable that option, enhancement visuals. So even I did a video on that one, so if you want I can do another video in depth explaining why it is useful and how much difference it makes. So if you observe the sky, you can see the difference, how much blue it is than the Super AMOLED panel. So definitely friends, if you have this kind of control in the Poco X3 device, so whenever you want you can increase, and whenever you want you can decrease the colors easily, as you can see. So let me try to change the first mode. First mode is a normal mode, and second mode is little bit saturated, and third mode will improve the brightness, and the fourth one will include the brightness and saturated. So if you want this kind of thing, better to use the fourth option. So when you get E, so then only you will get this kind of enhancement visuals, as you can see here. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both of the smartphones, which is very good in the Poco X3 if you use this kind of option. So it's good that I did a video on this one, because most of the users, they think Samsung M51 display is pretty good, but there's a hidden trick in the Poco X3 where you can increase the colors. So that's very good to know for the Poco X3 users. And that's it for this video, friends. For more videos, make sure to follow regularly, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.